celebrate the hard-won freedom of our nation.
Let's start back in time to witness the struggles and sacrifices of our freedom fighters.
We cannot handle this journey any longer. Our people deserve freedom. We must fight for our rights. For our future generation, we may not see freedom in our lifetime, but our children will.
Do or die, करा किंवा मरा.
अन्याय उठने टेककर रोटी मांगी किंतु पत्थर मिले.
You can chain me, you can torture me, you can destroy this body, but you never will impress on my mind. Jai Hind. Every citizen of India must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in this country, but with certain duties. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. वंदे मातरम, मेरी झांसी नहीं दूंगी. इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद. हमारा है ये जवान ये किसान. They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush body, but they will not be able to crush my spirit. It is our duty to pay our liberty with our own blood.
Don't see others doing better than you, but you are record every day, because success is fight between you and yourself. If your blood does not rest, it is a water that flows in your veins. I believe in a religion that propagates freedom, equality and brotherhood. Thank you.
काय केलं मी ChatGPT घ्या त्याच्यानंतर आम्हाला शोधला अत्यंत सोपा. आपल्या इंग्रजी बोलले येतच हे सगळं, ते फक्त त्यांना म्हणून दाखवलं. या तंत्रज्ञान आहे ना, गुगल क्रोमवर ChatGPT असतं त्याचं टाईप करायचं, ते आपण शोधून देतो. पुढचा कंटिन्यू.
Together we will break this chain and reclaim our homeland.
हाताने कर. हां म्हण तसं. हां दे वैद. हां वैद घे.
Voices we echo through the ages.
Together we will break this chain and reclaim our homeland.
After years, struggles and sacrifices, a handle new day finally. We promise to honor our legacy and uphold the values of our great nation.
Very good.
Freedom fighters did not only fight for their country, but for every who suffered in silence, lost their family and freedom. We will build a future where everyone can live with dignity and freedom.
झालं का? हां चला करा प्रयत्न करायचे. झेंडेवर घ्यायच्या, झेंडे फडकवायचे. हां हां व्हेरी गुड. सिट डाऊन. सांगायचं